If you have not done KYC, please do so ASAP, otherwise you will not be able to withdraw anything from Vauld app or website. KYC video link is given in description. All INR recoveries have been paid to INR creditors. Creditors eligible for USDC payment. The equivalent USDC values of your INR claims based on the closing price taken from coinmarketcap.com as of the 5th of October 2023 has been deposited to your Vauld account. You can withdraw the USDC recoveries from the Vauld platform, app or website, subject to KYC completion. Please follow the steps below for initiating a withdrawal. Once the request is submitted, it will be internally reviewed and is expected to be processed within 3 to 5 business days of submission. Important point to note, please triple check the destination wallet addresses before submission of your request to avoid errors. Along with a correct wallet address, please make sure the wallet address specified is also on the correct protocol supported for withdrawals. Creditors eligible for INR payment. The amount should already reflect in your verified bank account. Please check your account to confirm the transaction. Creditors for whom the bank account payment failed will be paid in the form of USDC by the end of the 16th of October, 2023. Please contact inquiries at wasirx.com if you have any questions. The distribution of the remaining VRT liquid assets and PRT liquid assets has been initiated. Withdrawals are commenced on the 12th of October, 2023 within 1 month from RDA payment date on the 13th of September, 2023 in accordance with the scheme. With this, all the liquid assets are distributed and the company does not retain any liquid assets other than unwithdrawn tokens. Recovery for VRT creditors is 32%. Recovery for PRT creditors is 35%. To maintain security of the process and ensure that the correct balances are made available for each transaction, withdrawal requests will be internally reviewed and are expected to be processed within 3 to 5 business days of submission. Important point to note. From the time of launch, we received more than 2K withdrawal requests from creditors. In many cases, it was observed that creditors entered incorrect withdrawal addresses and requested for correction. To avoid funds being deposited to incorrect addresses, we humbly urge you to be extremely careful while entering the destination wallet addresses. Please triple check the addresses before submission of your request to avoid errors. Along with a correct wallet address, please make sure that the wallet address specified is also on the correct protocol supported for withdrawals. Please contact inquiries at wasirx.com if you have any questions. Next video will be on token withdrawal from Vauld, tomorrow, that is the 15th of October. I will show you how to transfer XRP from Vauld to WazirX, as I have only XRP. XRP is only transferred via its XRP network, having gas a network fee of 0.6 XRP. Most FAQs are same and already discussed earlier. See my video titled Vauld Initial RDA Result, Crypto Withdrawal FAQs, as of the 11th of September, 2023. Link is given in description. I am not able to see token balance under the column Withdrawable Token Balance. Why? Answer. If you are a VRT creditor with all your claims extinguished in the initial RDA, please check if you have withdrawn your recoveries already. If yes, there won't be any withdrawals applicable, as the claims are written off. If you are a PRT creditor, or a VRT creditor who didn't exit through initial RDA, please check if you have withdrawn your recoveries already. If yes, there won't be any other withdrawals applicable at this stage. Next distribution will happen depending on the illiquid assets recoveries. If you still have a concern, please contact inquiries at wasirx.com for further assistance.